Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Robinhood app for options trading. First, ensure you have options trading enabled in your account settings. This requires approval based on your financial profile. Options contracts give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a specific price by a certain date. Call options profit when the underlying stock price rises, while put options profit when it falls. Understanding these fundamentals is key to getting started on Robinhood. Once you're ready to trade, find the stock you're interested in on Robinhood and tap the Trade button, then select Trade Options. You'll see an options chain displaying various expiration dates and strike prices. Choose the expiration date that aligns with your strategy, then select your desired strike price. Decide if you want to buy a call or a put. Finally, enter the number of contracts and review all details before placing your order. After placing a trade, it's crucial to monitor your open options positions. You can view their performance and current value directly within your Robinhood portfolio. To close a position, simply select the contract and choose to sell it. This allows you to lock in profits or cut losses before expiration. Be aware that if an option expires out of the money, it will become worthless and you will lose the premium paid. Active management is essential. Options trading carries substantial risk, and it's possible to lose your entire investment. Start with simple strategies, such as buying calls if you expect a stock to rise, or buying puts if you anticipate a fall. A covered call strategy, where you sell calls against shares you already own, can generate income. Always prioritize risk management. Understand your maximum potential loss before entering any trade, and only invest capital you are comfortable losing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.